We'll guide you through how to make and turn an Android phone black and white. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. If you have sensitive eyes, then it may be nice to go and use it in black and white, and so you want to do this. To go and get started, go and swipe up on your phone and go and locate the settings and open them up. In settings, you need to go and scroll down and find the option for accessibility. Once you go and see it, you want to go and click on it. In accessibility, you need to go and find the option for vision enhancements. Now you can go and scroll down and find the option color correction and tap there. So at the bottom, you can go and choose how you want it to be corrected, select grayscale, then we can switch it on at the top. Now we can close this and you'll go and see the phone is now black and white. It's that simple. So if you found this useful and want to see more like this, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. If you need more help as well, make sure you go and check out the channel. We've got loads of different guides on there, from Android to Windows to iOS.